up, speak up.
Hi, welcome to Speak Up. Today we will learn a new interesting proverb and at the same time practice your English pronunciation. Our proverb is, birds of a feather flock together. The proverb dates from ancient Greek times, and its early version, birds dwell with their kind, was first quoted in the Ecclesiastics. It means that individuals of like character, taste, or background tend to stay together. For example, you can say, both of us listen to the same music and find it interesting to spend time together. Birds of a feather flock together. Now, I'm going to demonstrate how to pronounce this proverb. Please watch closely how I use my lips, teeth, jaw, tongue, and facial muscles to pronounce the proverb. Repeat after me. Birds of a feather flock together. Birds of a feather flock together. Birds of a feather flock together. Good job, everyone. Thank you for watching Speak Up. All the best and see you soon.
Speak up, speak up.